Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Singabus and signing in. Use your phone number or email so trips sync across devices. Once done, grant location and notification permissions. These let the app auto-detect nearby stops and send live alerts. Next, enter home and work addresses now to speed future bookings. This saves you time and pre-populates common routes. Make sure to confirm address pins on the map, so estimates and ETA calculations are accurate before you proceed to plan a ride. You now enter your destination and pick date and time. Choose single or return depending on your trip. Once done, the app displays multiple options. Compare bus lines, total duration, transfers, and fare estimates to find the best balance of speed versus cost. Use the only way filter to show single-option direct routes when you need the simplest path. After selecting a route, review seat availability and any walking segments. If a detour shows, reevaluate by toggling alternate filters for fewer transfers. You should carefully review the trip summary, verify the boarding stop, departure time, and seat selection. Tap Confirm when everything matches. Next, pick a payment method, card, wallet, or linked transit pass, and apply any promo codes before finalizing. Once paid, save the trip to your calendar and enable live tracking so you can follow the bus in real time. If the bus is delayed or route disappears, refresh the trip list and toggle location permissions to force a live update. Reinstall only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.